After reviewing the CX Racing Intercooler kit, it is now time to install it in the car. Out of the box, you get a nice clean finished look. Let's go ahead and fire up the buffing wheel. I used a blue polishing compound and finished it off with some metal polish. And here are the results. Let's go ahead and jump into the car and remove the radiator. This is the only way to fasten the nuts to the top mounting bolts. When viewing the lower frame, I noticed damage due to improper jack lifting. Don't ever jack up your Z at this point, as it will crush and bend up your frame. This is quite a bummer, and what really needs to happen is this piece cut out and a new piece welded in. But the show must go on. For ease of installation, I used a jack to hold up the radiator. Of the original 8 brackets, these are the only 2 that I did not use. Because there are no instructions included with this kit, you're left to fab up something yourself. Here I used 2 of the L-shaped brackets, along with 2 extra weld bongs that came with the kit for spacers. For the rear of the radiator, I used the other smaller 2 L-shaped brackets, and there were conveniently placed screw holes already here. Unfortunately, the top mounting bracket came unaligned. This was either due by improper measurement on the bracket or improper measurement placement on the bung holes. Oh well, I guess I'll just have to make do. To fix the situation, I drilled in another hole for the screw. I also installed the rest of the nuts and bolts to the mounting hardware. This top mounting bracket is now sturdy and ready to go. One of the most delicate parts of the installation is cutting the holes for the intercooler piping and couplers. I thought I needed a little bit more room, but I could have left about 1.5 inches off. For the bottom 2 L brackets, I used some factory Z body screws. These have a coarse thread, and seem to work okay for now. Maybe I'll change it later. The bottom mounting of the intercooler is now securely in place. And now for the payoff. Even with this being an upgraded T04E turbocharger, the pipes fit just fine. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, as there will be many more videos coming in the future.